Hi there, friends. I'm meteorologist Jeff Hanowich. Current time 10:04 on this Tuesday evening. Hope everybody had a great day. Certainly started out the day pretty nice. We had our fair share of sunshine. Even in the afternoon, although we had more cloud cover after 3-4 o'clock, we were still dry all day long until the sun set. When the sun set, the chance for rain increased. And now we are indeed seeing quite a bit of wet weather across the region. Certainly the further north you go, you're a little bit drier. The further south you go, the wetter you are. You'll notice that the three wettest zones right now are the Roanoke Valley, the New River Valley, and also south side locations. Of course, included in the New River Valley is the Mountain Empire. Mountain Empire locations blend with Grayson County, seeing some moderate to heavy rain. Also seeing some moderate to heavy rain out across parts of Bedford, Campbell, Charlotte, Halifax, Pittsylvania, and Henry counties. It's raining very heavily right now over Smith Mountain Lake, raining quite heavily at places like near Stanton River High School, Bedford over towards Evington, areas just to the south of Rustburg over towards parts of Charlotte County near Charlotte Courthouse, Gretna, Chatham, seeing some heavier downpours, as are folks around Virgilina. So the rain is pretty heavy out across south side, including Henry, Pennsylvania, Halifax, Charlotte, Campbell, and Bedford counties. Okay, so this is kind of the corridor where we're seeing the heaviest rain as we speak. Lynchburg right now seeing some light to moderate showers, but over the next maybe 20 to 30 minutes, your rain is going to pick up. Your rain probably going to pick up at Liberty University within the next 10 minutes, downtown Lynchburg within about the next 20 minutes or so. Danville, light to moderate rain, certainly a little bit more in the way of some heavier downpours south of the border. So your rain probably actually going to pick up a little bit more in Danville here over the next 20 to 30 minutes as well. So again, it is a very wet go of it right now, basically in areas along and south of Highway 460. Again, north of Highway 460, not a whole lot happening. Maybe a couple little sprinkles in Craig, Botetourt, also into Amherst counties. Again, south of 460 towards Smith Mountain Lake, Chatham, Gretna, areas in and around Evington, Alta Vista are the areas that are right now seeing the heaviest rain as we speak. And there's more rain to be had. The rain is going to continue to fill in overnight tonight. We're going to have heavy rain around really from midnight on in virtually all of our backyards. Okay, so it is just going to be a mess of a go of it, really from here on in until perhaps a little bit after lunchtime tomorrow. So we're going to have a good 12 hours worth of rain across southwest, central, and south side Virginia. Notice how I said rain. 99% of us just going to see plain old rain. However, notice as you head, say, towards higher elevations of Bath County, higher elevations of Highland County. That's where we could see a little bit of snow mixing in as well. You have to be above 2,000 or 2,500 feet to see any snow showers up, say, towards the Allegheny Highlands. But if you do, yes, you could pick up on some snow showers as well, mixing in with some rain from time to time. As we continue to go through time, it is certainly going to be a pretty wet commute come tomorrow morning. I do think that the heaviest rain will fall tonight between roughly midnight and 6 a.m. At 8 a.m., it's still going to be raining, but the rain may not be quite as widespread. It may not be quite as heavy. It's certainly going to be a wet and dreary start to the day, but the rain may not be quite as heavy at 8 a.m. Notice as we continue to go through time, this is around 1, the rain is really for the most part done. Okay, so the wettest part of the day on Wednesday going to be the first half of the day. Second half of the day, it looks to be drier. Morning hours wetter than the afternoon hours. And notice what happens even late on Wednesday afternoon. We actually start to see the clouds breaking up just a little bit. May see some breaks of sunshine before the sun goes down Wednesday afternoon, especially in areas along into the east of the Parkway. Then as we head into tomorrow night, we are looking at skies partly to mostly cloudy, and we're looking at a mix of clouds and sunshine as we head into Thursday. Thursday is going to have some clouds around from time to time, but Thursday and Friday both look to be dry. So rainfall for us tonight through Wednesday, I would say we're going to pick up anywhere from roughly a ½ an inch to an inch and a half of rain. Okay, so this is going to be a pretty large rain maker. It's going to be a pretty big weather maker for us across the region. Again, a ½ an inch to an inch and a half of rain expected for us here as we go throughout tonight into the first half of the day on Wednesday. And then we're watching another cold front as we head Friday night into Saturday. Right now, several days out, we did put the chance for precipitation on Saturday at around 60%. That's a pretty high chance. I think it's more Friday night into the midday hours of Saturday for this second cold front to impact the region. The cold air looks to be chasing the moisture for the most part come Friday night into midday Saturday, which means the rain is going to be just out ahead of the cold. That being said, there might be a couple of hours worth where the cold air does indeed catch up to the precipitation in the mountains. Okay, for the most part, this is a cold rain Friday night into Saturday morning. But for a span of maybe 2 to 3 hours, we could potentially have some light snow showers out across the mountains. Again, that would be more Saturday morning. Okay, so this event that we deal with Friday night into Saturday morning going to be mainly rain, and it could be some heavier downpours. It looks like the cold air will just outrace most of the moisture, but it's a close call, so please stay tuned to your local weather authority. The exception to that might be the New River Valley, Allegheny Highlands, southern Shenandoah, and the Mountain Empire, where for a couple of hours or so, we could have some snow developing. The chance for snow showers as we head into Saturday morning, certainly higher in the mountains than it will be towards the Piedmont. If you're watching us in Roanoke, Lynchburg, South Side, I'm thinking right now it's all rain as we head Friday night into Saturday morning. But the Highlands, maybe parts of the southern Shenandoah, the New River Valley, Mountain Empire, it's mainly rain for you, but you could have a couple of hours worth of snow showers as that cold air may catch up just enough to change all rain over to snow showers for a little while. Okay, so please stay tuned to your local weather authority for what I'm calling our next big thing, and that is another cold front Friday night into midday Saturday. And regardless of what type of precipitation you see as we head Friday night into Saturday morning, there's going to be an enormous temperature difference ahead of it and behind it. Okay, Friday afternoon, we're looking at highs in the low to mid 60s. 63 is your high Friday afternoon. By Saturday night into Sunday morning, temperatures drop into the teens and lower 20s. So about a 40 to 45 degree difference in temperature between Friday afternoon and late Saturday night. That's unbelievable. Even for spring March standards, where we do have a lot of fluctuation in temperature, this is pretty impressive. It tells you the kind of cold front we'll be dealing with here as we head into the early part of the weekend. Temperatures right now at 10-11, it's 43 in Wytheville, 47 in Blacksburg, 52 Roanoke, 53 in Lynchburg, mid to upper 40s out across south side locations. For tonight, looking at rain around. It's really going to fill in even north over the next hour or two. Certainly south, you're seeing some heavier downpours already. It's going to be a chilly night, not cold. Overnight lows between about 37 and 43. 3-day zone by zone forecast showing the NRV highs tomorrow mid to upper 40s, near 50 Thursday, near 60 on Friday. For the Highlands, you may have the best chance for a couple of snowflakes mixing in later tonight into early tomorrow. Otherwise, it's a chilly rain for you. Looks like you're going to be done with the rain probably by midday Wednesday. The rest of Wednesday may see some stubborn cloud cover, but you're dry Thursday and Friday with a little more sunshine to enjoy. Across south side, it's all rain tonight into tomorrow morning, but you're going to clear things out by tomorrow afternoon and even see some sunshine to end the day. Thursday, Friday, we'll call it partly sunny. For Lynchburg, temperatures tomorrow 50, 53 Thursday, up to 63 Friday. Notice, though, temperatures this weekend fall into the 40s. It's going to turn much, much colder as we head into the weekend. But it's a brief cool down as by early next week, temperatures are back into the low to mid 60s. And across the Roanoke Valley, you're looking at a good chance for rain tonight, even into early tomorrow, drying things out tomorrow afternoon. Dry Thursday, Friday. Friday night into Saturday, you're going to have rain, maybe a couple of snowflakes mixing in, say, towards Benton Mountain, Catawba, and Bradshaw. But for the Roanoke Valley, it's for the most part just rain Friday night into Saturday. Later Saturday, we dry out. We see more sunshine on Sunday, and then we're dry as we head into Monday under a mix of sun and clouds. Current time is 10:13. And joining me is my good friend Nicole. Nicole, are there any questions I can answer tonight? The answer to that is we're going to have a little mini one on Friday. Temperatures Friday back above average. Very, very, very quick warm up because by the weekend we fall into the 40s again. That's well below average. But by early next week, we're back to 60 to 65. So Again, as far as when we're going to see a warm up, a little mini one late this week and then another one as we head into the early part of the next work week. So again, this is like a forecast for virtually everybody. Yeah, it's not going to be 70, it's not going to be 80, but we have some warmer days. We have some colder days. We have some dry and sunny days. We also have some rainy and cloudy days. May even see some snowflakes mixing in for the higher elevations at times. Anything else, Nicole? Yeah, the answer to that question is we have a couple of opportunities for wet weather here over the next 7 days. Obviously, the first one is tonight. It spreads into tomorrow morning. Then we're going to have another chance for precipitation Friday night into roughly midday Saturday. Then we get a break for a couple of days. Early next week, it looks to be dry on Monday into most of Tuesday. May have another risk for a little bit of rain, and it would be just rain as we head perhaps into the middle of next week. Anything else, Nicole? Perfect. Current time is 10:15. We'll be back here in about 45 minutes from now with our 11 o'clock newscast. We do hope to see you then, but if we don't, I hope everybody has a great night, and we'll see you again real soon for another Facebook Live.